Hi, I welcome you all for this session on 3 M's or 3 pain areas of business. I am Dr. Manjunath, Director of Nlytics. Nlytics is a company which is into training and consulting in various areas. One of our core area of focus is Lean and Six Sigma methodologies. Today I am going to talk about 3 pain areas of business which was introduced by Toyota Production System. Toyota Production System was introduced way back in 1950s, and it went on to become the global benchmark for world-class manufacturing. Over a period of time, the same Toyota Production System has also become benchmark for even services sectors. The Toyota Production System, as a part of continuous improvement, identified 3 pain areas of business. These pain areas are popularly called as 3 M's because each pain area is a word starting from the letter M in Japanese language, and they are known as Muri, Mura, and Muda. In English language, the equivalent words are strain, inconsistency, and waste. Basically, Muri is all about strain. Strain means it is overburdening of people and equipments. Most of the business processes fails to deliver good quality output, or they fails to be productive because we keep experiencing this particular concept of strain. Because business processes are so designed in such a way that most of the time the people who are involved in these processes will be spending on non-value added activities, and the time available for value added activities will be very, very less. It is found that almost 60 to 70% of the processes involve non-value added activity. Now, what is non-value added activity? Non-value added activity is any activity which do not add value from a business perspective or a customer perspective. These activities consume resources but do not provide any valuable output. Since most part of the day we involve in these non-value added activities, we end up in getting short amount of time for value added activities, so we start experiencing this strain. So the strain may result in fatigue to the employees, or it results in tension, anxiety, and this can lead to mistakes in terms of carelessness, or it could be mistakes out of fatigue, and also it can result in accidents because of the careless mistakes which are coming out of the strain experienced by employees. And this strain can also lead to health related issues like increased blood pressure, sugar levels, etc. Just like human beings experiencing strain, the machines will also experience strain when we overwork them in terms of beyond their capacities. So the first important area what we need to focus is how to avoid this strain for both human beings as well as machines. The second important pain area Toyota Production System focus is called as Mura, or inconsistency. What is this inconsistency? Most of the time in our business organizations, both in manufacturing and services sector, we come across unplanned changeovers, breakdowns, lack of standards in our day-to-day activities, or we keep changing our production and service schedules based on reactive adjustments. So this inconsistency or unpredictability in our day-to-day production and service delivery process results in huge amount of inconsistency, and inconsistency leads to poor quality as well as poor productivity. The third important M is called as Muda, or waste. The Toyota Production System basically identified 7 deadly wastes. These 7 deadly wastes include producing more than what is a customer is requiring, or the waste in terms of waiting for raw materials, waiting for finished components. It could be machines waiting, it could be operators waiting, or it could be customers waiting. All forms of waiting are called as a deadly type of a waste. Then we also have unnecessary movement of people from one place to another place without adding any value. and many times our processes are made very, very complex. So it can result in over processing. Rather than completing a job in a very simple and easy manner, we make it much more complicated by building more number of steps in our manufacturing and service delivery processes. Inventory is also another deadly waste because we keep supplies which may be more than what is needed. And the operators, employees in organizations keep spending a lot of time in searching activities, which is nothing but motion waste. Then producing any item, whether it is a product or service, which is not according to the customer specifications, is called as defect type of waste. So these 7 deadly wastes are part of Toyota production system, and lean manufacturing basically works towards elimination of all these 7 deadly wastes. But of late, 8th deadly waste is also added into these 7 wastes, which is nothing but unused employee creativity. To remember these 7 deadly wastes, you can remember the word Tim Wood. T for transportation, I for inventory, M for motion, W for waiting, O for overproduction, O for overprocessing, and D for defects. So thank you for listening to me on the 7 deadly wastes. If you need more information about Lean and Six Sigma and Lean and Six Sigma courses, you can contact us at manjunath.vs@nlytics.in. Thank you.